Hello, Mr. Stahlman. Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Cembreros, and as you already know, nowadays having a strong online presence is basic for any thriving business. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you a couple things that you can improve on your website in order to have it ranked at the top one in Google. These things are content, backlinks, and citations. And to make this video short, I'm going to be explaining them as we go. Okay? First thing is content, which as you can guess is all the text, images, and how the images are saved as that you have on your website. Google likes to see at least 1500 words of keyword rich content on the pages that they rank at the top one. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up on Google regarding your services. So you want to make sure that you know which ones people are looking up the most and drop them several times within those 1500 words in order for Google to rank you at the top and make it easier to find you. Also, you want to put some pictures in your website and save them keywords as well. As you see here, to give you an example, if we put bail bond San Diego, which would be the main keyword, the first two results, for example, Balboa bail bonds and Mr. Nice Guy bail bonds, we go to their websites, and as you see here, they have pictures, content, more content in these accordions over here, more pictures, more content, okay? And Mr. Nice Guy bail bonds as well. They have some pictures here, video, and these guys have a lot of content, all right? A lot of content is always good, even if you don't put a lot of pictures, because it allows you to put more keywords or more keyword density, all right? So content is king on the eyes of Google always. Second thing that I want to tell you about here, it's backlinks, all right? Backlinks are basically when when a website puts a mention to your website and somebody clicks in it and it takes them back to your website, okay? We use Ahrefs here, which is the tool that allows us to read Google's data. And with this, I can tell that you have 47 referring domains, which is giving you 1,000 backlinks. All right. This is a really good number of backlinks, but one thing that is really important is that you need to know that not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are way stronger than others, and that depends on how important is the website and how relevant regarding your business. Okay, the website that is giving you that backlink. So you always want to go through after the ones that are giving you a lot of power and a lot of authority on Google size, all right? Or after those big websites. As you see here, you have 45 organic keywords that you're ranking for, and you have 1,000 backlinks, which are giving you 300 people a month in organic traffic. This is a really good number, but this is mostly because you already have a name in San Diego bail bond business, all right? As you see here in your keywords, the ones you're ranking a top one that are giving you a lot of volume in searches are all with your name, all right? The thing is that if also you're able to rank by the keywords of like bail bonds San Diego bail bonds, etc., you'll be making this number even bigger without having to move a finger. Okay, so all you need to do it's like for example these guys, okay, Balboa or Mr. Nice Guys. If we throw them in Ahrefs, you can see that they have way less backlinks than you. What happened? These backlinks are way stronger. That's why they're ranking at the very top. And these guys have 5 backlinks, but they have a lot of content, remember? So even with these 5 that for sure are really powerful backlinks, with all the content that they have, they're pulling 188, and these ones are pulling 178. So if you implement your backlinks and your content and get that top one spot, you'll be pulling approximately about 500 people every single month, almost double that you're pulling right now. So that would be really, really good. And the last thing I want to tell you about, which is really important as well, is when you make a search, often you see this little map with the results. It's really important to be at the top 3 results here in order to get a lot of business. Okay, and all you need to do to be here is get more citations than your competition. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web. And in order to get to the top, all you need to do is have more citations than your competition. Okay? Like that, you'll be outranking them. So let's say they have 150, I would make at least 300 in order to outrank them because everybody's building citations regularly. So we just need to build more than them and keep it like that always. That way, when you have top one here and top one here, you'll be getting absolutely all the business. And that said, thank you very much for watching. I would really appreciate if you can give me a little feedback on this video. And if you like the value I provide you and you want to use it yourself, please go ahead. But if you have any questions or you want me to help you get in there, please just give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a great day.